Let's play Redactle number 347 on Sunday, March 19th. It's much later than my normal time for recording. I was out gallivanting today. Anyway, let's see what we have. 11-5, and in the 12-5 of 9-8, the 11-5 of a 11-5, oh my goodness, is the 5 of the 11-7 under 8 of the 5-9 in the 5. I don't know what that could be, but it's 7-11 about the 5-5, R5 of the 11-5. And then the 11-5 is the 5 and 8-5, 8-8-8-5, and it's an 8, 9-11, 6. Oh, that's funny. It says it is a something, but then that R, so we switched to plural somewhere in there. Are the 8-4 of 12 have 10, 11, 6. And finally, this may be helpful. The 11-5 of a 11-5, 1 is 7 by, and then we have a subscript and some parentheses. So I'm immediately thinking some kind of chemical formula, but maybe it's not. I'm still smarting from the fatty acid yesterday. 5 with a 5, for example, with a, what is with a 5? Let's see if there's anything else revealed here. 10, this 7, 1 is a 11-5. And again, we have that subscript, and then the 4-5, as is discussed below. 8 of 5. And then we have that arrow symbol. Not sure what that is. Again, more. Now, I think this character here that looks like the euro symbol, I think that means is a subset of something or other. Maybe it's mathematics rather than chemistry. Let's see. Oh, but something in the opposite direction, I think. So that is interesting. Oh yeah, and here we have something to the power of... And then we have the 1-6. Yeah, so an awful lot of equations here. Powers. Yeah, this does look more like mathematics. So 11 power in these 12-5 of... oh, is that something... not algebra, but... oh, maybe algebraic... Let's try, well, let's do algebra first, and it's there twice, and let's do algebraic. Aha, notation, not notation. In the something of algebraic notation, the 11-5, I wonder if, since we did have the power symbol, if it could be power. No, the 11-5, could it be a digit? Not a digit. All right, let's look at our two algebras. And 381 be the 3 algebra of 1.1. I think of algebra as being a branch of mathematics. How can something be the something algebra? But I do think maybe the set theory comes into it. So let's try set. Aha, 20 sets. And let's try algebraic. From algebraic 8. algebraic something. Is it always going to be the same 8-letter word after algebraic? Now here's on an algebraic. Could that be formula? No. Oh, how about equation? No. In the something formula, V3, 7, oops, the 6, 3 of 7, 11. And then asterisk is, well, it's usually multiplication, right? Let's look at our sets. The set of all 4, 5 with this 6 of 9. Set. By the above something, and then this thing is something a set. I'm not sure what that could be. Let's try not. I know it's not the right word there, but we do have 21 knots. In the 12-5 of algebraic something, the 11-5 of 11-5 is the 5 the something under, could it be under division? No. Under, no, in the, wow, all these 5-letter words. What are some mathematical 5-letter words? And it wasn't power or digit. Is one of them a plural 5 with a 5? And each, maybe? No, I do have 11 eaches. 6 on 1 can be something into each 5. I have a feeling this is going to be very advanced mathematics. Is that a little, a tiny tick after that 1? Let me put in some numbers. I know some of you put in a lot of digits or spell out numbers at the beginning. That can be useful. Then let's maybe try some letters. B and C occur a lot. All, let's try any, many, most. Let's take a look at some of these words. One of the most, 9. Among the many, 8 of this 12. So like the many attributes of this something. One of the most important, maybe? Yeah, is 5 by 7, 9, 6. And then are we getting that written out here as 1 equals something? Is that somebody with their arms up or a backward slash, forward slash? I don't know what that notation means. Let's try odd and even. We have 3 evens, but that's even up to something. Of even 10 can be measured. No. Let's look at our ones. If 1 can something into the 5 without, oh my goodness, I'm losing all of my mathematical words. the modulus. How about mod? No. Sum. The 11.5 of a 5 sum of 3, 4, 9, 6. How about good old x and y? Yes. Can be expressed. No, that's 9 letters. Can be something as the 4, 7, as the maybe the inverse. No, we have the inverse of A, 8.5 of A. Something in the opposite direction. Now let's try 2. Oh, a lot of 2s. Actually, there's more 2s. 2, 5 can be 8 in an 7, 3. What is that? Well, that 5-letter word is obviously a plural. Something along the 5, 4, 4 along the 6, 2, 5 or 10, 10. If one can be 8 into the 5, well, let's try prime, factor, factorial. Oops, there we go. Factorial. No. Algebraic something. And then the 11.5 of a 11.5. Now this one is very tricky. Look, even here we have 2 different kinds of X. Funnily enough, I did hear the band The XX today. What mathematical expression or property is this? Well, let's try calculus. No. Try infinity and beyond. No. Fraction. No. Integer. There is one. By the set, something of integer digits. No. Can be shown to be something like overlapping or consistent with. Let's see if there's anybody's law or no. 3 algebra, we have that again. What kind of algebra is that? So it's of something. P is usually a good letter in mathematics. Well, it doesn't really help me, I think. That's right. My helper is saying I should try property. Well, there's 2 of them. The property that all 3, 6 I don't think I've done numbers yet, or number. Have I done theory, number theory? In the theory of 7, 8, in the case of, no. Have 4, 5 in something theory, to 11 between 5. There's some word like contiguous or something to do with sets, but I can't remember what it is now. In the 8 of 8 theory, and again the 8 of 8 theory, the 7 can be something. Introduction to 4 theory. What is this 4-letter word in mathematics? Algebraic 8. An introduction to algebraic 8 theory. No, this something a theory. Around the something, a fixed number. No, but we do have fixed right there. How about permutations? Anything to do with that? Oh, maybe if I spelt it correctly, we may have a... I'm still not getting it. Here we go. No. Around each 4 of the 6. I'm going to try some more letters, just hoping that I then think what they may stand for. I don't think I did probability yet. Let's try that. For P. No. Okay, let's try. I did as far as D, I think. Yeah, let's try E. Probably have, oh, okay. I thought we would have EG, but this number, so what is, it's not little e, but let's try Euler. No Euler. Let's try differential. There's one differential. In the 5 of differential 9. Equations, yeah, such as the maybe there's 2 people's names hyphenated. Well, let's try the Riemann. Oh, we do have Riemann. In the theory of Riemann something, there's the Riemann hypothesis, right? No. Riemann, that any 6, 9 Riemann 7 is something to something. All right, I think I'm going to bail on this one early and just Google it and try and figure out what this is. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be something I'm aware of, and I'm even struggling to come up with some of these short words, these 5-letter words that I think maybe if I gave it a little more time I might get, but it is getting late. So I will be back in a moment. Well, my girlfriend suggested a couple of words to me. So I've tried graph, and there are two matches in the same paragraph. And then seeing this, I'm now thinking of some other words. So particularly here where it says the 11.5 of a graph is a 4.5. Well, at first I'm thinking is a straight line, but I suppose I should do line and lines. But then I thought of a curve. So we do have a curve, but I was really hoping that would be one of the 5-letter words at the beginning. But of course you would have an area on a graph. No, we don't have an area here. All right, well, it was a good try, but I will see what I can Google. All right, well, I've looked up the article on Wikipedia on George Friedrich Bernhard Riemann. Let's see, he made profound contributions to analysis, number theory, and differential, geometry. I never did geometry. We have 5 geometries, but looks like nothing up at the top there. Fourier series. So let's try Fourier. No. Series. No. Let's see what else. Oh, the Riemann integral. Let's try. No integrals. Let's see. He wrote a paper on prime counting function with the original statement of the Riemann hypothesis. Yeah, well, I'm not seeing anything off the top of my head. So I'm going to pause again. All right, well, a wonderful little bird has whispered in my ear the word function, and we do have one function. Something, I suppose that's while or where. No, something a 11.5x. Oh, given. Isn't that the way they usually start things? Given a 11.5x, a 4.5 at. All right, well, I went on to the Reddit site for Redactle, and I'm just reading the comments there, and I'm finding people saying this is a very advanced part of mathematics. I see someone referring to algebraic topology, and so that's something in there. Honestly, I have had no desire to go any further and find what this is. Someone did say these are common words in the title, but they're just put together in some way that is something not easily guessable for the average human like myself. So I'm going to, I'm afraid, have to leave you hanging there and not put in the answer. But thank you as always for watching, and let me know if in the comments if you were able to solve it, because I'm officially giving up on this one. Thanks as always. Have a great day.